We begin tonight with new developments in the 38 Studios lawsuit. More defendants have agreed to settle with the state of Rhode Island.
If this proposal is approved by a judge, 4 defendants would pay $12.5 million for the failed business deal. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Pliner joins us now live outside the State House in Providence.
Mike Kelly, good evening. That's right. One of those agreeing to settle, Keith Stokes, former head of what at the time was called the Rhode Island Economic Development Corporation. A proposed $12.5 million settlement announced Friday in the 38 Studios litigation, an ongoing effort to recoup as much of the $89 million in taxpayer dollars as possible tied to the belly-up deal. Just 4 of the defendants involved in this settlement. John Simmons leads the government watchdog, RIPEC.
Individuals that were involved in it, from the director of the Commerce Corporation at the time and a law firm. So we seem to be getting the local firms to seem to be coming to the realization that there has to be some payment.
That firm had represented the state. It released a statement reading in part, Adler, Pollack, and Sheehan and the plaintiff will never agree on issues of responsibility, liability, and damages, but they do agree that it is in the best interests of all concerned to put this matter behind them so that this dispute will finally end.
They're coming to the conclusions, both sides. We'd rather know the outcome than run the risk of going to litigation.
Another law firm agreed to settle for $4.5 million last year, but there is more to go with those not part of any deal, including the most recognizable face, Kurt Schilling, Wells Fargo, and First Southwest. And a judge must sign off on this proposed settlement. Again, as has been the continued expectation amid this litigation, that the state will end up recouping some of that $89 million. Not all of it. By the way, we reached out to Keith Stokes' attorney for additional comment, and he had none. Live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom tonight, I'm Jared Pliner, Eyewitness News.